There's a rhythm to the universe, a pulse beneath the surface. Most folks, they go about their lives, blind and deaf to it, to the whispers echoing between the stars. But there are those who listen, those who find themselves caught in the crossfire between what is and what could be.
She was one of them. Her life, a series of unremarkable events. But beneath, something stirred. Curiosity, a hunger for something just out of her reach. She felt it pulling in her bones. In that moment, just before sleep would claim her, that there was something else out there, something beyond the ordinary and dull.
They say that the universe is vast, more than our eyes can see, more than our minds can comprehend. Quantum mechanics, the physicists call it, the science of the impossibly small, where particles dance and shimmer in and out of existence, mocking the very notion of reality. They theorize that every decision, every possibility splinters off into its own world, a parallel existence where you and I, where we live out different versions of our lives. Worlds that run side by side with our own, like threads in the ground.
She had always been different. She loved to read about equations or theories. She sensed something on a primal level. It started as a tugging at the edges of her consciousness, a pull towards a shadow that was always just out of sight. And then one night, sat still in her room, it came to her. That day, the wolf appeared again. As if his appearance was the key to another world, he led her to the forest.
He led her to the forest, deep into the heart of the wild, where the trees whispered secrets older than time. And there, under the canopy of trees, punctuated by bright stars, the wolf showed her the way with a feeling, a shift in the air, a change in the rhythm of her soul.
She felt a pull, gravity drawing her into the space between moments. And then, with the drum of a heartbeat, she was somewhere else. This was a world where the choices she didn't make had come to life, where every what if had found its answer. She walked through her life's possibilities, roads not taken, loves not lost, mistakes unmade. The true art was discovering and unearthing what had always been there, hidden in the spaces between moments, between worlds.